Yeah, again guys, it's Matt from Zone RV here. Today we're going to show you a little bit more about the factory, how we're building the vans. We're going to run through the electrical and the plumbing services and how we do it different to other people because of our construction technology. So really the major difference that we're dealing with here because of the solid walls is that we have to do a lot of the plumbing and the wiring before we actually close the caravan out. You can see it here in this 20'6", the amount of detail that's put into it to build us in these cavities without encroaching on the interior space of the caravan. This is a really good example behind the pantry here to get up to our switchboard. This is a full depth pantry from the inside, but it also allows us to have this serviceable space. And the benefit down the track to the customer is if you want to add something in here, it's really easy for us to pull another cable in or add another plumbing line, whatever you're thinking of adding to your van. Another key benefit of the system and how we're building it at Zone really helps us on our quest to really nail down our quality control, and that is that we can really test everything before we close the caravan out. So all of the plumbing and electrical actually gets tested before the walls come anywhere near the caravan. That way we can fault find any issue that we may have, unlikely as it may be. That means that when it all does get closed out, we know that everything's working perfectly, so we can assure the customer that they're getting a van that's 100%. So we're well aware that electrical and plumbing can create problems if they're not done right in caravans. It's probably something that's repeats a lot in the industry. So we really support the guys that give us great backup and supply the best product. So we use EnerDrive as our battery management preferred supplier. You can see it in here with the BMS and the DC-DC. We use things like Fusion as our entertainment systems. We use John Guest plumbing only, so it's all the right pressure. We don't have any dramas with hoses, etc. So we're using the best appliances and we're installing them so they're manageable, so you can actually get to them if we need to service them down the track. Alright guys, so that shows you the basic sort of rundown on our electrical systems. Obviously these things we can add there, solar and all the whatnot that you can add to your caravan, so get in touch if you want to know what the capacity is in that respect. Just wanted to show you quickly something I'm really excited about here at Zone, is that we're starting to loom the whole caravan. The beginning of that is this trailer loom that we've pulled into this 20'6" here. It's all prefab tested off site, so it's a plug and play scenario. That way we know that it's done right. It pulls in, it's nice and easy for us, but it's also really serviceable. So in the next couple of weeks, we're really focusing on pulling this loom system into the whole caravan. So it's really exciting for us, and we'll show you a little bit more about that in the weeks to come. Check out the rest of our Factory Cam series on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Zone RV videos.